okay, Jeffrey?
Pretty good. Right now we are digging to get ready to put some rocks in over top of the pipe and to fill in the rest of the trench from where we just put the pipe, because we have to get ready for the next pipe. Right now we're doing some bulldozing over here. Right now I'm going to turn this into a time lapse because this is going a little too slow with the bulldozer. So I need to speed it up a bit. Let's cross the street here. You called? 2 minutes later. 2 minutes later. We are getting ready to fill up a dump truck, I think. I'm not 100% sure if we're filling up a dump truck yet or not. Hey, Trouble. We're just about to put another pipe in the hole, aren't we?
Well, we're doing a service and another pipe. We're going to connect this pipe to the water main that we're putting in, Jeffrey.
That you don't know how to move?
Oh, fuck. Here, what? Jeffrey, you jump in the hole. You do my job then. I'll stand here and record.
No, thanks.
No? Well, don't tell me I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm just trying to bug you. Today
is working.
Okay, today we're slacking. What are you doing there, Corey, with the foam again?
We're putting insulation to keep that water line from freezing in the wintertime.
Nothing better than foam?
It's what the plans call for. We don't make the rules, we just follow them.
Is it underground frozen cold in the winter?
Here, Corey.
Corey, you're making it dirty.
Come up. Hey,
what about
I gave you your card back, right? I reached in my pocket and I went, I gave that back, right?
So what about the foam being over here? Justin?
Only over top of the store. That's the only place we have to put insulation.
Why? Why only top of the storm?
There's not enough separation between that big storm pipe and the service, and the city is scared that that's going to be it's kind of like a hollow pipe in a sense. So when it's wintertime, they're afraid that it will leak up and freeze the service. So you put that insulation between, you got no worries. And then you put it over top because the city wants cover between that service and the top part of like asphalt of 1.7 meters.
Wow.
So when you don't have that, you add insulation over top just to make sure that freezes.
Where are you going?
Straight to hell, probably.
Well,
there's Jeffrey and Paul here on the site. Film Andre filling this whole truck, okay?
Why?
Because he wants to see a video of himself filling a truck.
You're kidding, right?
He hasn't seen one yet. You gotta film him putting that whole load on the truck. Yeah. I'd set the tripod up back here and looking up at him, let him film the whole thing.
We're filling up the dump truck right now. Hey. Look at all the mess we have to clean up right now. Right now we're just filling up this dump truck from start to finish. We're getting rid of one dump truck. Well, we'll see that dump truck again later, but we're more dump trucks are coming in right now as we speak. I bet you there's more around the corner here. And like I say, we're just waiting for more dump trucks to come on in. Just a sec, here comes another one. Like I said, here comes another dump truck. Here's the next dump truck we're filling up. The excavator is just waiting for the next dump truck from GFS. I hate these backup beepers on these dump trucks. They're loud. Or on the construction equipment. They are loud again. I think they're annoying, but it's good for people's safety. Because you don't know who's walking behind these things. It could even be a blind person. You don't know who's walking behind these things. So it's a good thing we have backup beepers on the machines. The backup beepers are there to save our lives. So if we're not paying attention, hopefully they will see us. That truck is more for, I think, on a farm for handling the crops. Because the bucket's so tall. Wow, we're on our second dump truck right now. We're just finishing up, picking up the rest of the concrete. As we're doing that, they're doing other stuff down the street, but we're not filming that right now. We're just filming the excavator from start to finish. Because that's what he wants in the video, so that's what we're doing. Waiting for the next dump truck coming in. So come on in and we'll fill it up.